All right, first graders, today we're going to do our last Fastmath during distance learning until you come back. So make sure you are on number 25. And the first one, number 1, says, put an X on the cones. So take a look at the picture here. Which of these are cones? Put an X on them. Number 2, circle the correct number of airplanes. So I want you to count those airplanes and then circle how many there are. This next part, you need to either add an addition symbol or a subtraction symbol, a plus or a minus, to tell what we're doing for each of these. So if you take a look, the first one says 6 blank 3 equals 3. You need to decide, does 6 plus 3 equal 3, or does 6 minus 3 equal 3? And then put that symbol in the circle here. One thing I like to remember is if the number after the equal sign is getting bigger, that usually means you added two things together. If the number after the equal sign is getting smaller, it means you are taking away. So 3 is smaller than 6 and 3, so that means you would be subtracting. Go ahead and try to fill out the rest of those on your own. Remember, you can push the pause button if you're not ready to move on, and so you can finish that part. All right, our story problem today says, Patrice had 6 golf balls. Some were hit into a pond and lost. Patrice had 2 golf balls left. How many were lost? So think, are you adding or subtracting? What are the numbers you know? What's your addition or subtraction sentence going to look like? And what is your answer? Go ahead and fill that part out now, and let's correct it together. All right, the first part, put an X on the cones. Here we go. These 2 are the cones, so you should have had that. The next part, count the airplanes. Help me count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you circle 10, you are correct. All right, here, 6 minus 3 equals 3. Next one, 7 blank 5 equals 12. 12 is the biggest number, so I know that means we are going to add for this one. Next one, 4 blank 2 equals 2. This number is smaller than 4, so that means we are going to subtract. Next one, 12 blank 8 equals 4. Again, the number is getting smaller, so we're subtracting. Last one, 8 blank 3 equals 11. 11 is the biggest number, so that means we are adding. All right, next part. Patrice had 6 golf balls. Some were hit into a pond and lost. There's our clue right now. Patrice has 2 golf balls left. How many were lost? So some were lost and they're gone. That means we are subtracting. The numbers we know are 6 and 2. And our subtraction sentence is going to be, she started with 6. She lost some. We don't know how many she lost. So our blank is going to go in the middle this time. So 6 minus blank equals, and then she has 2 left. So let's figure that out. If you have 6 and then you take away 2. 1, 2. That tells you how many. Or you could go like this. 6, take away how many equals 2. I took away 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there were 2 left. So how many were lost? 4 balls were lost. B-A-L-L-S, and then were, lost. L-O-S-T. All right. Nice job, first graders. If you would like to bring this packet back with you to school, we will continue using it at school and continue doing our fast math at school. So make sure you're not losing this packet. Nice job.